Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this is a isometric view and this is a drive end plate and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this project is a hydraulic pump project, and today discuss here this part is design here, and all parts is one by one is drawing, and last is this body is assemble here. At first drawing this body, 2D drafting is also available here. This is a top view and this is a front view and this is a right view, and this body is drawing here isometric view. Okay, and all dimension and all geometry is design here, and how to this body is designed. Okay, this body is designed easily and clearly, and this is a all back side and front side is this body is designed, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, all view is present here. Okay, this is a perfect and correct drawing here. Okay, let's start here. This body is design and how to this body is design, and this body is a design and this lecture is very important for a beginner student. Okay guys, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first select a part, and some setting is very important, and this setting is a plain white, and going to this option and this document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect and correct. Okay, and this body is drawing a help of all 2D drafting is available here. Okay, at first drawing a rectangle, a center rectangle. This is a 120 millimeter and this is a 19 millimeter. Okay, and all dimension in millimeter. Okay, at first select a plane is use a front plane is better, and select okay. This is a center rectangle is at first drawing here. Okay, and define dimension. This is a length is a this width is a 90 millimeter and this length is a 120 millimeter. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, and some fillet is used here. This fillet is used here. Radius is 9 millimeter. Okay, this fillet is 9 millimeter, and select okay, this delete here, and select all 4 corner. Okay, and click okay. Drawing a circle is this all 4 corner is circle is drawing here. This diameter is a 9 millimeter. Okay, select this all circle is drawing here. This diameter is 9 millimeter and all 4 corner is a drawing here. Okay, this circle is defined. Dimension is a 9 millimeter diameter, and select all 4 corner, all 4 circle, and going to select a equal. Okay, this is a perfect and correct, and okay, and this body is this thickness is a 12.5 millimeter is this. Okay, and select a extrude boss base is apply here, and this is a 12.5 millimeter is perfect. okay, and correct. Okay, okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, okay, and select this face sketch, drawing a okay, a center line, and this is a perfect and correct. And draw a circle, and circle is a draw a circle. Okay, and this distance is a 15. Okay, this is a correct. This a big circle is drawing here. This distance is a this point to this distance is 15.5, and big circle is diameter is a 80 millimeter. Okay, and this point to this distance is a 15.5, and this diameter is a 80 millimeter. Okay, okay, and next is a okay, okay, and this is a perfect. Okay, and okay, and this is a thickness is a 7.2. Okay, and use a extrude boss base, and this is a this thickness is a 7.2. Okay, okay, and this face sketch normal, drawing a circle, and circle is drawing here at this point. Okay, and this diameter is a 20 millimeter. This diameter is 20 millimeter, and this cutout is a through all, and this dimension is a mention here a 20 millimeter. Okay, and this use a extrude cut, and extrude cut is a through all. Select here because all is a cut here. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, and also select a this use a okay, and this use also 30 cutout is better, and also select this face sketch normal, and select a circle, and circle is drawing here a cutout is a this diameter is a 30 millimeter. Okay, and also use a extrude cut. Extrude cut is a this use a 12.5 millimeter. Okay, not through all but 12.5 millimeter is perfect. Okay, this is a perfect, and select a back side, and some sketch a geometry line. Okay, select this face sketch normal. At first draw a center line, because drawing a okay, at first drawing a center line. Okay, okay, and at first select a center point arc, and draw this drawing a okay, some drag here. This point, press a control button, and this point is select and horizontal line. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Drawing this design. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. And this is a distance is a 51 millimeter, and this is a 36 millimeter. Okay, and this radius is 50 millimeter. Is this define this 50 millimeter? Okay, and draw a circle. Okay, this draw a circle, and this circle is a draw a circle, and diameter is this 10 millimeter. Okay, this, and some important dimension is this this point to this line is a 29 millimeter. Okay, and this point to this distance is a 29.5 millimeter. Okay, this dimension is very important. Okay, this is a 29 millimeter, and this is 29.5 millimeter is this is cut out here. Okay, this is a very important. Okay, and next is a this point, press a control button and select this point. This is a vertical line. Okay, and drawing at first select a 3-point arc, and arc is select this point, drag this this is a perfect this. Okay, select here, and this point press a control button, select press a control button and select this center and use this merge point. Okay, and this point is a horizontal. Okay, this is use this okay, and this is delete here, and dimension is a this dimension is a 10 millimeter is perfect. Okay, this is a perfect drawing here. Select a line is this line is a this line is this select this this is a this connect to this point to some drag here. Okay, and this point to this. Okay, this point to this. Okay, and this is a this point distance is a this point is a 42 millimeter. Okay, this distance is a 42 millimeter is this very important, and this thickness is a 3 millimeter. Okay, and also use this okay, and some fillet is used here this to this okay, and this fillet is used here some sketch fillet is 5 millimeter is this and this fillet is this 5 millimeter, and also use a 1.5 millimeter is this and select this, and okay, this and this is very important. Okay, and okay, and this use a mirror, and mirror is a okay, all is perfect drawing here, and mirror is this select this and this point. Okay, and this use this point, this line and this line and this line, and select this circle. Okay, all is perfect and use this. Okay, click okay, but this is a extra line trim entities use here, and this is a portion is delete here. Click okay, okay, and both circle is drawing here, but both circle is select here, and this use a construction geometry. Okay, okay, this is a perfect and correct okay, and also select a mirror entities and select this select here this okay, also select this okay, all is select here, and use this line and click okay. Okay, not extra line is drawing here, all is check here. Okay, all is perfect and correct okay, and okay, and use a extrude boss base, and select this and select this, and use a thickness is only 3 millimeter. Okay, because this thickness is only 3 millimeter is used here. Okay, and okay, okay, this is a perfect and correct, and also use a fillet is a 1.5 millimeter, and this is a perfect, and select a fillet is use 1 millimeter, but 1.5 is better, and also select this 1 by 1, so select this select this and select this. Okay, 1.5 is better and perfect okay, okay, and select this face sketch normal. Okay, and select escape this face sketch normal. Okay, and circle is all this center point is select here, this and all 4 circle is drawing here. Okay, and this diameter is a 16 millimeter. Okay, and select this circle and press a control button, and all 4 circle is selected one by one, and click a equal. Okay, and use a extrude cut. Extrude cut is this okay, extrude cut is only 0.5 millimeter. Okay, 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 this is a perfect cutting here. And next is a okay, okay, some important point. Okay, okay, and select this sketch. This face is selected and normal, and use a hole wizard, and hole wizard is used here. This state tab. State tab is very important, and this use a standard and bottoming tapered hole, and size is M10, and blind, and this use a 17. Okay, and this is a perfect and correct. Okay, all is perfect. And position, and select here this, select here this. Okay, okay, this and this to this. Okay, and some define a dimension. This distance to this is a 58 okay millimeter. This distance is 58 millimeter, and this distance to this is a 29 millimeter is perfect. And this to this is a 59 millimeter. Okay, 59 millimeter, and also this to this is a okay. Okay, this distance is perfect and correct. And this point, and press a control button, and this is a horizontal, and this point, and press a control button, and this is a vertical. Okay, and this both is a vertical line. Okay, okay, all is perfect and correct drawing here. And this is a okay, and this is a very nice, and click OK. Okay, all is perfect. Select here, and going to option, document properties, image quality. Okay, no detailing, and this is a cosmetic thread is a check here, and click OK. And this cosmetic thread is apply here, and this is a use a okay, this is a perfect looking here. And this use a cosmetic thread is you can see here on this body. Okay, and perfect drawing here. And next is a okay, some important point discuss here. Okay, all is perfect. some use a right plane and a sketch normal and use some important point. This is a okay, and drawing a center line, drawing a center rectangle. This point draw a center rectangle, and this is a hole cutout, and this is a 2 millimeter, and this point to this select this okay, this distance is a 2.5 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is a 3 millimeter. Okay, and all dimension is perfect. Okay, and this is a revolve cut, and at first center line is a drawing here. This center line is a draw here, and also use a this, and this use a cutout is revolve cut, and okay, select this axis of revolution is select here, and this is a cutout is a this, and this cutout is better, and normal body, and select this. Okay, okay, and again select this two hole cut, first and second is this. Okay, and next is a this, and again select a chamfer is use here 0.5 millimeter, 0.5 millimeter, and okay, this is a 0.5 millimeter and 45 degree angle, and select this. Okay, and click OK. Okay, and next point is this. Okay, and select this face, normal, not a sketch, and draw a whole wizard, and whole wizard is this or some important point, this. Okay, and a simple hole is created here. Going to a simple hole is created here, this, and okay, and at first drawing this ISO standard, this is a trail size, size is okay, okay, some important point. This okay, this is this size is 4. Okay, and this use a blind, and going to this 3 millimeter, and this is a perfect, and some important point. Okay, okay, and position sketch, drawing this and drawing this, okay, and define dimension is this is a 45 millimeter, okay, 45 millimeter, and also select this dimension is a 45 millimeter, okay, okay, this, okay, both is a perfect and correct, and click okay, okay, and also not this, and select a cosmetic thread, detailing, and okay, all is perfect, okay, okay, all is perfect and correct drawing here, and all geometry line is a, and all mention here, all geometry line is drawing here, and all geometry dimension is used here easily and clearly, okay, and going to this appearance, okay, this is a use a appearance, and use a metal, and metal is brush, and brush is a this, and okay, all is perfect and correct, and all point is discussed here one by one, and this point is very useful and helpful drawing this body, and okay, all point is learn here easily and clearly, okay guys, okay guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly, okay guys, next lecture is coming soon, okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly, okay, and guys, this is a very important lecture. This is a bridge of valve, okay, and this body is this part is a bridge of valve, and this part is this is this body is drawing here, and this is a isometric view, and 3D drafting is also available here, and this is a front view, and this is right view, and this is a top view, okay, all dimension in millimeter, and this lecture is very important for a beginner student, and this project is a very important, and this project is a stop wall project, and all parts is one by one is drawing here, and last is this all body is assembled here easily and clearly, okay, okay, and let's start here. This body is design, okay, this body is designed here, and this is a color, this material is a brush, and how to this body is easily and clearly, okay, and back side is this, and also this thread is apply here, and thread is also very nice looking here, okay, okay guys, this body is a perfect drawing, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly today discuss here, okay, let's start here. This body is design, okay, at first select this part, and some setting is very important, and all dimension in millimeter grams second, okay, this is a perfect, and use a plain white, okay, and going to option is a document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect, okay, okay, and okay, at first drawing this body help of this to the drafting, at first drawing this geometry, and this distance is 19 millimeter is radius, and this distance is 14 millimeter, and this distance is 28 millimeter, and this is a 10 millimeter, and this is a 26 millimeter, and this red color 6 is a revolution 6, this is a pitch, this is a pitch, and this is a height and pitch, and height and revolution. This revolution is 6, this turn is 6, and this is a 50 millimeter height. This thread is used here. This 50 millimeter is this both side is a fillet is used here, and this length is a okay. At first drawing a plane is a better is a right plane. Okay, two line is a reference line is drawing here one by one, because this line is very useful and helpful. Okay, and okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and this is a relation is a coincident, and this is a horizontal, and this is a coincident and vertical, both is a perfect. Okay, and at first select a line is a this is a drawing this okay, and perfect and correct. Okay, and drawing this select this this geometry is a drawing here, and this curve is a drawing this, and select horizontal line, and this is a connect to this, and this is a very important. This geometry, this drawing simple drawing here, and align a dimension. At first drawing this distance is 19 millimeter is full length, and 14 millimeter is half this length. Okay, this distance is a 14 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is a 90 millimeter. This distance is a 28 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is a okay, this is a 26 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect. And okay, and also this distance is a 10 millimeter. Okay, all is a black, all is fully defined, then all is a black color means this is fully defined, and all is correct. Okay, and this is a perfect. This is a radius, this is a 14 millimeter and 19 millimeter, 28 millimeter, and 10 on 26, all is a perfect. Okay, all dimension is perfect. And going to this revolve boss base and select this axis, and okay, all is perfect. Okay, okay, and this is a perfect and correct. Okay, all is a perfect. And again select this face sketch normal, and again select again drawing this body. Then this is a this height is 120 millimeter, this is a 76 millimeter, and this is very important. This circle is drawing here 60 millimeter diameter, and this is a 24 millimeter, and this is a cutout is a this 34 millimeter is a this use a thread. Okay, okay, and at first drawing a reference line, again select a okay, both reference line is drawing here. Okay, connect to this reference line is very important, and draw a circle is drawing here. This two circle is drawing here. First is a diameter is a 60 millimeter, and second is a diameter is 24 millimeter. Okay, and connect a line. A line is a tangent and connect to this, and again select this line and mirror entities and click a mirror about this, and okay, and again select all, press a control button and all is a select here one by one, and use a mirror entities and going to this mirror about this, click OK. Okay, and align a dimension. Dimension is this point to this point, distance is a 120. Okay, and this point to this point distance is a 76. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and this is a perfect and correct. Okay, all is a perfect. All is black color means this is a fully defined, and all is a this is a tangent line. Okay, all is correct. And okay, this geometry is a perfect. This is a 120 millimeter and 76 millimeter, and this is a drawing a circle. 60 millimeter is diameter and 24 millimeter diameter, and then use this 34 millimeter is last, or use a thread, and going to this extrude cut and apply a extra portion is delete here. Okay, and select this and this. Okay, and through all extra portion is delete here, and okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and again select a fillet, use here a 50 millimeter, and both edge is select here. Okay, and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. And again select this face, sketch normal, or drawing a circle. Circle is this, and this diameter is a 34 millimeter. Okay, and this is exit, because apply a okay, this apply a helix and a spiral, and this is a perfect. And this is a use a height and revolution, and height and pitch. Height and pitch is also perfect. Okay, and this is a very important, and height is 50 millimeter and pitch is a 6 millimeter. Okay, and direction is reverse, and this is a clockwise is perfect, and angle is 0 degree, and all is perfect, because this is a very important. Height and pitch is perfect, and height is 50 millimeter and pitch is 6 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect, and reverse direction is perfect, angle is 0 degree and clockwise, and click OK. Okay, and this is a perfect, and again select a right plane, sketch normal. Okay, and use a corner rectangle, and draw a corner rectangle is drawing here, and this distance is a 3 millimeter is a length, and 3 millimeter is also height. Both is equal, because this is a 3 millimeter is a length and height. Okay, and this point, press a control, select here and press a control button, and this use this line, select here and use a pierce. Okay, this is a black color means this is also fully defined, and exit, and use a sweep cut, and sweep cut is also select here, automatic select here this profile, and path is a select here this path. Okay, all is perfect. and all is correct, and click OK. Okay, this is a this line is a hide, and this thread is also drawing here easily and clearly. And going to this material is apply here, and metal and brush is a polish brush is perfect. Okay, and also this is a select here and going to this aluminum, and okay, this is a perfect but going to this select here and material is a okay, select here and going to this appearance, and this is a black color means this is a perfect. Okay, also very nice looking here, and also this is a perfect select body and appearance, going to this color and going to this. Okay, this is a looking perfect and isometric view. Okay, all is a looking perfect and correct. Okay, and this is a very nice looking here. Okay guys, and all geometry and all line is a use here, and all is perfect and correct. Okay, and guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos, please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this is a part 10. Is this lecture is very important, and this lecture is a valve cover design and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Today discuss here, and this is a valve cover design, and valve cover design is very important. And this cover is this cover is a back side, and this cover is this and also all dimension in millimeter, and also this is isometric view, and also 2D drafting is available here, and all dimension is you can see here on the screen. And this is a front view, and this is a right view, and this is a top view. All dimension you can see here easily and clearly. And this all dimension is a help of all this body is design. And this project is a stop wall project, and all parts is a separate one by one is drawing here, and last is this body is assemble here. Okay, this body is design, and this body is a valve cover design, and how to this body is easily and clearly is a drawing here. And today discuss here a very important lecture, and this lecture is very important for a beginner student, and also professional student is also better, and all is looking perfect. And both side is you can see here on the screen. This is a very nice looking here, and the material is a brush. Okay, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly, today discuss here. Let's start here this body is design. At first some setting is very important. First is this use a plain white and this going to document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect. Okay, all is correct. Okay, and at first select right plane is better, and right plane all dimension you can see here on the screen. And this a simple geometry is drawing here, and a big diameter radius is a 138 millimeter, and this is a 88 millimeter, and this radius is 81 millimeter distance, and this is a 35 millimeter, and this is a 28 millimeter, and this distance is 47 millimeter, and this is a length is a 22 millimeter, and this is 6 millimeter is this, and 6 millimeter is this, and 14 millimeter is this, and this is distance is a 48 millimeter. Okay, and this is a 60 degree angle. Okay, at first select a right plane. At first drawing a 2 reference line, because this reference line is very useful. Okay, and select again a reference line. This is a horizontal, and this is a horizontal line, and this is a vertical line. 2 reference line is drawing here, and click a line and draw a simple geometry is drawing here, because this geometry is a very useful this body is design. Okay, and this is a perfect, and okay, and this is a simple. Okay, this is a simple geometry is a drawing here. This curve is a drawing here, this not any relation. Okay, this is a perfect, this drawing here. Okay, and any this line is a this this is a okay, and this to connect to this. Okay, this is a simple geometry drawing here, and mention all dimension. At first drawing this point, and this line is a drawing here. A distance is a 14 millimeter. Okay, and again select this point. Okay, and use this point, and this distance is a 35 millimeter. Okay, okay, and use select this point, and this distance is a 88 millimeter. Okay, and select this line, and this is a 138 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is a 22 millimeter. Okay, and okay, and select this. Okay, and this distance is a 6 millimeter, and again select this distance is a 6 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect, and this distance is a 14 millimeter. This is a 47 millimeter is perfect, and select this point, and this line is a distance is a this distance is a 47. Okay, okay, and all is a perfect and correct. Okay, and select this point, and this distance is a 81 millimeter. Okay, okay, and this is a distance is a 28 millimeter. This and perfect, and this distance is this 2, and this distance is a 48 millimeter is this. Okay, and select this, and this angle is a 60 degree angle. Okay, this angle is a 60-degree angle is perfect. 60-degree angle. Okay. Okay, all is perfect. And this relation, this point and this relation is a horizontal. Okay. Okay, all is a black color, means this is a fully defined and perfect. Okay, all is correct. And guys, this is a very useful. Okay, and this is a perfect 48 millimeter, and this is a 14 millimeter, and this is a 88 millimeter, and 35 millimeter, and this is a 28 millimeter, and this is a 35 millimeter, 47 millimeter. In all geometry is a, you can see here. Okay, all geometry is a 1 by 1 is a use here this. Okay, and going to this revolve boss base and select this axis of revolution, and then this convert a 3D body. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and again select this use select this face, sketch, normal, and reference line is a drawing here, this to this, and this line is a very important, and select this a pattern, and this diameter is a 20 millimeter, and this distance is a 112.5 millimeter is this, and pattern is 6 pattern. Okay, and this distance is a not mentioned here, but this distance is a 120 millimeter this. Okay, and this is a perfect and okay, this distance is mentioned here this. Okay, but this apply a thread, and then distance is a 120. Okay, and use a circle drawing here this, and this is a vertical line, and this distance is a, this point to this is a 112.5 millimeter, and this diameter is a 20 millimeter. Okay, and use a X pattern or circular pattern is perfect, and select this point and use this pattern, and pattern is a 6 pattern and equal spacing and 360-degree angle. Okay, all is perfect and correct, and click OK, and again select going to extrude cut. Extrude cut is a through all, and click OK. Okay, all is perfect, and whole wizard is apply here, and select this face, sketch. Okay, not mentioned, but this is a normal. Okay, and this is a normal is perfect, and going to whole wizard. Whole wizard use this a state tab. State tab is perfect, and at first select this 2 hole. First and second 2 hole is a size is M24, and 2 size is a 2 hole each size is M12. Okay, and at first select this state tab, and standard is ISO, and type is a bottoming tapered hole. Perfect, and size is a M24. First is M24, and blind is this, and this is a okay, and perfect and correct mention here. Okay, this is perfect. Some important point discuss here. Okay, this use a 27 millimeter and this use a 24 millimeter is perfect, and all is correct. First is use here this 27 millimeter and this is 24 millimeter and size is M24, and okay, all is perfect. And going to position, and this is a sketch normal. Okay, and drawing a reference line. Reference line is perfect drawing here because this use a mid plane. Okay, select this line and press a control button and select this point and use a mid plane. Okay, and all is perfect, and dimension is mentioned here. This is a 120 millimeter. Okay, 120 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and this use a point and automatic. This is a okay, first point and second. Okay, and click OK. Okay, okay, this is a not thread is mentioned here, and again select going to this option, document properties and detailing, and this check here a shaded cosmetic thread, then automatic select this thread is showing here. Okay, this thread is showing here easily and clearly. Okay, and perfect. And again select going to this whole wizard, and this going to M12 size is a M12. Again select a stat tab here, a standard is ISO, and bottoming tapered hole, and size is M12. M12 is a perfect. Okay, and this is a and this is a perfect. Okay, this use of 15 and this use a 12. Okay, and this line is this 15 millimeter and this is a 12 millimeter, and also perfect. And going to this okay some important point. Okay, this is a perfect, and this is a perfect and correct, and size is M12, and all is perfect. And going to option, and this select this and the normal. Okay, and going to a reference line, drawing here this to this, and this line I press a control button and select this point, and this is a mid plane, and dimension is a 88 millimeter is perfect. This is a 88 millimeter is perfect, and going to this point, and both side is the first point and second point. Okay, and okay. Okay, all is perfect and correct. This thread is also this, and apply this brush. Okay, all is mentioned here this. Okay, all point is discussed here. All point is discussed here easily and clearly. And okay guys, this is a mention here 138 millimeter is this radius, and then 226 millimeter diameter is same, and 22 millimeter, and this is a same here, and 6 millimeter is also same here, and this 138 millimeter, and this diameter is a 276 millimeter. This radius is 88 millimeter, this diameter is a 126 millimeter, and this 28 millimeter is radius, then diameter is a 56 millimeter is same. Okay, all is perfect. All dimension is you can see here. Okay, and isometric view is this. Okay, and back side is this is a perfect and correct. Okay, okay, and guys, all point is discussed here one by one, all is correct. And guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this bodies design easily and clearly. And guys, this is a exhaust manifold design, and this is a 4 pipe and exhaust manifold design, and this body's design help of this 2D drafting is okay, and this is a 2D drafting is also available here. And okay, this is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is side view. All view this also geometry is you can see here easily. And to discuss here one by one all point discuss here, and this body is final product is design here. Okay, and this body is a product, and how to this body is design easily and clearly. And this is a looking very nice looking here and all okay, isometric view is also available here. And this is a all this is a use a cell command is this cut here, and this okay, this is a very nice looking here, and all point is correct. Okay guys, this body is designed easily and clearly, and let's start here. This body is designed. Okay, at first click a part, and some setting is a very important, and this use a going to system option and going to document property, and image quality is very high because this body is looking perfect. Okay, and this use at first this body is designed, and this is a center to center distance is 136 millimeter, and this inner diameter is a 72 millimeter diameter. This cutout and this big circle is 104 millimeter, and this circle is a 32 millimeter, and this cutout is 17 millimeter, and this is a angle is very important, 38-degree angle. Okay, at first select a plane is front plane, and use a some reference line is drawing here. This line is very important because this body is designed. Okay, and two reference line is drawing here. Okay, and this line and this point is a coincident. Okay, and this line, and again press a control button and select this point and use a midpoint. Okay, this is a very nice, and align this angle is 38-degree, and this is a very important. And and this is a draw a bigger circle, bigger circle, and to a small circle is also the end is drawing here. Okay, and connect to line is a tangent, and tangent is very important because this body is drawing. Okay, and again select a line and draw this tangent. Okay, this is a very connect to this. Okay, and align a dimension. This distance between center to center is 136 millimeter, and this bigger circle is 104 millimeter, and this is a 32 millimeter. Okay, and align dimension is a this center to this distance between 104 millimeter, and this diameter is 32 millimeter, and this bigger circle is diameter is 104 millimeter. Okay, and okay, and this circle is a use a equal. Okay, but this point is a connect to tangent. Tangent is very important. Okay, this connect to this is a tangent, and again select this, and this is a tangent, and also this use a this is a tangent. Okay, okay, this point is a okay, and this use a 136 millimeter. Okay, this is a very nice. This distance is a 136 millimeter, and okay, all is perfect. And use a some trim command and use a power trim, and some extra portion is a delete here, and this is a delete here. Okay, and this also delete here, and also this is a delete here. Okay, okay, this is very nice, and click OK. Okay, and this extrude boss base is apply here, and okay, and this thickness is a 10 millimeter. Okay, this thickness is already selected here, 10 millimeter. Click OK. Okay, this is very nice, and this face is also sketch normal, and also draw a circle is this, and again a big circle, and draw a small circle is because this is a cutout. Okay, and at first click both circle is press a control button is this is both is equal, and this is a 72 millimeter, and this is a 17 millimeter. Okay, and this geometry is also drawing here. This is a cutout is a this is a 17 millimeter, and this is a 72 millimeter. Okay, and extrude cut is a through all, and this is a use a okay. Okay, and next is a this is a 1 because this is a 4. Use a linear pattern, and this distance between two center is 120 millimeter. 120 millimeter is correct. Okay, and select this sketch normal, and draw a circle. Circle is a center line because this is a reference. Okay, this is a very use, and click a horizontal. Okay, and use a exit, and use a pattern, and pattern is a use a linear pattern. Okay, select this. Okay, and this use a 4 pattern, and distance between is a 120 millimeter. Okay, and select a body. Click this, and direction is reverse. Okay, this is a perfect, and click OK. And this line is hide because this is a looking perfect. Okay, and isometric view is also this is a better. Okay, and next is a use a this is a drawing here, and this is a perfect, and this distance is a this center to this line is a 130 millimeter, and this point to this is a 106 millimeter. Okay, and this cutout is also 72 millimeter, and this 17. Okay, and draw a, then use, okay, this is a very important point, is this use a 171 millimeter is very important. This is a plane created here. Okay, at first use a top plane and okay, a top plane is select and use a plane created here, and 171 millimeter, this is a flip side. Click OK, and this use a perfect, and this sketch normal, and draw a center line. Center line is very important, and use a this between two distance, this point to this, and again select a center line, and distance of this midpoint is select here, and draw a vertical line. Okay, okay, this line and this also. Okay, this is a hide. Okay, and next is a draw select a polygon. Polygon is a 3 millimeter, 3 side is 3, and use this drawing here. Okay, and this is use a horizontal, and all 3 is select here, and use a construction line. This is a better, and construction line. Okay, and this line is extra, is delete here. Okay, and this line is also construction, and this line is also construction, and this is a construction, and this is use a very important, and draw a circle. This circle is drawing here, and again draw this 2 circle. Okay, and all 2 circle is drawing here, and this is a very important, and connect to this. This line is also tangent, connect to this, and also connect to this, and this line is a, okay, this line is delete here, and connect to this to this. Okay, this line is a not, connect to this line to this is a tangent. Okay, and all line is this line is also connect to this line is also use a tangent, and this line is also tangent. Okay, and all press a control button, and all line is selected, and click relation is equal, and also 3 line is big circle. Okay, and select a 3 line is also equal. Okay, and next is align a dimension, and dimension is very important. This distance is 130 millimeter. This cutout is a 72 millimeter. Okay, 106 millimeter is, this is a use a this to this. Okay, and align a dimension, and this distance is a 106 millimeter. 130 millimeter is perfect. And this point to select this 106 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and a big circle is a 70, radius is 17, means this is a 34 millimeter and 72 millimeter and 16 diameter, and this use a 16 diameter and this use a 34 diameter, and this circle is use a 72. Okay, and this use a tangent, and also this use a tangent. Okay, all is fully defined because this is a black color, means this is a fully defined and all is correct, but some extra portion is delete here, and this delete is this. Okay, this is a delete here, and also this is a delete here, and this line is also delete here, and all is perfect. Click OK. And extrude boss command is use this thickness is this thickness 12 millimeter, and 12 millimeter is better, and exit. Okay, okay, this is a perfect and perfect and correct. And next is a use a 3 line. Okay, all is perfect, and drawing this connect to pipe, and pipe is a distance, this length is 54 millimeter and this is a 114 millimeter, and two distance is perfect, and one point is missing here. This is a use fillet command, and this pipe is a use a 98 millimeter and this is a 56 millimeter. 68 millimeter is okay. And some sketch or drawing a 3D sketch, a line is drawing here. This point to select this. Okay, this is a perfect line, and also select a line. Line is this is a use this center connect to this, and okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a better. All is a perpendicular, all is this is use a vertical line, and also connect this line and connect to this. Okay, and some important point is also discussed here. Align a dimension. This dimension is a 104 millimeter, and this distance is this is a 54 millimeter. Okay, and two important point is a fillet command is use a 98 millimeter. First is this, and second is a 68 millimeter is this to this, and 2 is a very important, and this is a extra added here because this is a missing point, drafting. Okay, this is not available here, and 2 important point is okay. And exit, and again select this face, sketch, and drawing this, and use convert entities and exit. Okay, and use a swept post base, and this profile is automatic select here, and this select a path is a this. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, this pipe is a connect here. Okay, next is also same, drawing a 3D sketch, and 3D sketch is a drawing here. Select a line. Line is a this connect, and also this is a perfect. This is a use a perpendicular. This use a line is a vertical line, and also select this, and also connect. Select a line. This line is also vertical, and this is use this, and also this line and connect to this line to, okay, this line to this, okay, this line is also delete here, and connect to this point to this, okay, okay, and align a dimension. This this dimension is a 104 millimeter, and also this is use a 54 millimeter, okay, okay, but this use a inward, but use a, this is use a this center line, and this center line is perfect, okay, and some use a fillet is a 68 millimeter is this, and 98 millimeter is this, okay, 98, okay, not connect here because this is a use a not a, okay, okay, undo, and some line is a, this is a use a, okay, this line is a drag here is this vertical because this line is a, okay, this is a connect to this, but this line is use a perpendicular, not drag here, delete here, okay. This line is also delete here, but this line is drag here this, and align a this diameter is a 104 millimeter, okay, and also and fillet is used, okay, but this diameter, this use a 54 millimeter, okay, and fillet is used a 98 millimeter is this, okay, and 68 millimeter is this. The fillet could not be added because the specified radius, okay, radius is more, okay, 36, okay, and this use a some, this line is a delete here, and okay, this line is also delete here, and this line is also, and connect to this two, this line is not, delete here, and use this, and this center is a, okay, okay, this is use this, okay, and again select this to this, connect to this, but some point is a, some extra portion is delete here, and align a dimension. This dimension is a 54, and this dimension is a 104, but this is a bigger, and 106 is perfect, okay, this also delete. okay, this delete here. And undo, and this is a delete here, and okay, this is a use 106 millimeter and 54. Okay, and some drag a center line, connect to this, and also this use a, okay, this is a, okay, and fillet is use a 9, this is use a 68 millimeter, and use this, and 98 millimeter is this. Okay, but some, okay, this is perfect, and correct, and also exit, and also use this sketch and drawing this, and convert entities and exit. This profile is created here. Okay, and swept boss base, and this profile is automatic select here, and this path is this, and okay, this is perfect, and two line is created here easily. And next is use again select a 3D line, and this is a copy, is both is this, and select a line and draw a this, okay, draw a this circle is this center, and distance is a, okay, press a tab, and this line is a connect to this, and use a this, okay, because, and this line is a both is a use a construction line, and this is a very important, and exit, and create a plane is a created here, and select this line, and this line is a, okay, this is a perfect, and okay, and some use a mirror is this, select here, and use a first, second, both is a, and click okay. Okay, this is a perfect and correct, and also this is a hide, because this board is looking perfect, and also cell command is a thickness is 1 millimeter, and also select all, and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect, but combine, use a insert and feature. I'm going to combine, and also use this, and select this to all is added here, and click OK. All body can, okay, added here, and click OK. Unable to create, okay, this is not perfect, and use a nickel is perfect. Okay, this material is apply here, and one point is also available here. This is all dimension in millimeter, and fillet is 1, and chamfer is 2 millimeter, and all is a chamfer is apply here, 2 millimeter 45-degree angle, and all side this is a use a chamfer. Okay, and also use this, and also use a this one by one because this is not use a multiple. Click OK and use a chamfer. Chamfer is this is a delete here, and use this OK, and OK, this use this edge OK, and fillet is also 1 millimeter is use this 1 millimeter, and select this to this, both face is select here and OK. OK, and also select this face and this face, both face is select here, click OK, and also this face is select here and use this face, click OK, and this face and this face is OK, and last is a remaining, click this face OK, this is a perfect, and this face and also this face is a OK. OK, all is perfect looking here. And OK, and guys, all point is discussed here perfect, and guys, I hope you will learn all process is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this bodies design easily and clearly. And guys, this is a very important this bodies design easily and clearly. And this product is a grease nipple 45-degree angle is inclined, and this is a inclined 45-degree angle, and this project is a grease nipple design. And how to this body design easily and clearly, and all dimension is mentioned here clearly, you can see here on the screen, and this is a thread value is also available here. Okay, let's start here this body is design easily and clearly. Okay, this is the final product is designed here, and how to this body is design easily and clearly, and all thread is mentioned here, and all is a perfect and correct, and this is a ball is also drawing here. Okay, and this body is a design here easily and clearly. Let's start here this body is design. Okay, at first some setting is very important, and setting is this is a plain white, and going to this option and document properties, and image quality is very high because this body is looking perfect. Okay, and at first drawing this curve and this geometry, and this geometry is this is a perfect, and this curve, okay, this curve is 6, radius is 6 millimeter, and this curve is 2.2 millimeter, this length is 5 millimeter, and this length is distance is 5 millimeter, and this whole distance is okay, this is a perfect, and okay, this is 8 millimeter, and this full length is 10 millimeter, and half is 5 millimeter is this. Okay, and this distance is 6.5 millimeter. Okay, drawing some geometry, and mention all dimension one by one. Okay, at first select a front plane. Line is a drawing a this to this, and drawing a curve is this, and again drawing a curve this, and select a straight line, and this is a line, and drawing a straight, and this is a perfect, and connect to this. Okay, and this center point, and press a control button, and this origin point is a coincident. Okay, and align all dimension is a this is a 6 millimeter. Okay, and this is a 2.2 millimeter. Okay, and okay, and a relation is this is a tangent. And okay, and next is this length is a distance is 5 millimeter, and this distance to this distance is a 16 millimeter is perfect. Okay, this is a distance is 16 millimeter, and this is a 5 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is also 5 millimeter, and this distance is a this to this is 8 millimeter. Okay, and this center point to this distance is a 6.5 millimeter. 6.5 millimeter is perfect. Okay, all dimension is fully defined, and all dimension is correct, and all is fully defined, and click OK. And because this is a perfect, and this distance is a 16 millimeter, and this length is 5 millimeter is equal to this, and this distance is 5 millimeter, and full is 10 millimeter, and half is 5 millimeter, and this distance is 8 millimeter, and this is a distance is a 6.5 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect. Okay, and going to this revolve base, and going to this, and click OK. Okay, all is perfect. And this is a fillet is used here, and 0.5 is a this to click OK. And use a chamfer is a 1 millimeter 45 degree angle, and this is a this, click OK. And next is a select this face, sketch normal, and drawing a circle is a 3 millimeter diameter, and 3 millimeter diameter, and this okay, this is a cutting here. This distance is a 3 millimeter diameter, and height is a 26.2 millimeter, and use a extrude cut. Extrude cut is a 26 millimeter 26.2. Okay, and this is a okay. Okay, all is perfect. And this is a use again, select this face, sketch normal, and draw a hexagon. Hexagon is very important, and this is a use a vertical line. Okay, and again select a circle. A circle is a big circle. Okay, and this distance is a okay, this is a distance is a 14.2 millimeter, and this is a circle is 20 millimeter. This circle is a 20 millimeter, and this distance is a 14.2 millimeter is perfect. and going to extrude cut. Extrude cut is a only 5 mm, so this is sufficient for this, and okay, this is a perfect, and all is correct. Okay, and next is very important, and going to this 45-degree angle and drawing a this design, and this design is a 45-degree angle, and this is a perfect. And again select a front plane, sketch normal, or drawing a center line. Center line is a this to this to this. Okay, and this is a perfect, and dimension is a this to this is a 45-degree angle. Okay, and exit. Okay, and again select a top plane, and this is a plane. Okay, and select a this. Okay, and use a this is a top plane, and use a angle is 45-degree angle, and going to this project. Okay, and along sketch normal and flip offset, and this is a flip offset. This is a perfect and correct. Okay, and use this is a perfect. Okay, and use all is perfect and click OK. And next is a again select a this plane, and use this again select a plane, and this distance is a 3.6 mm, and okay, this is a 3.6 mm is extrude cut. Okay, again select a 3.6 mm and click OK, and this plane is hide. Okay, and select this sketch normal. Okay, this is a perfect, and select a normal. Okay, okay, this is a perfect, and select a circle. Circle is this, and this circle is drawing a diameter is a 10. Okay, and this is a extrude cut. Extrude cut is a only direction is reverse, and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect, and this is a hide, and again select this is a hide. Okay, and again select a front plane, sketch normal. Okay, and right plane is better. Right plane sketch normal. Okay, okay, and again select a center line. Center line is this to this. Okay, this is a perfect, and select a this line to this. Okay, Okay, this is a perfect line. Select this is use a 45-degree angle. Okay, again select this is a okay, and select a 45-degree angle. Okay, and this line is a this, and again select this. Okay, this is a perfect line. Okay, all is mentioned here. This select a line connect this to this line and draw this. Okay, and select this line. Okay, this is a perfect. Drag a circle is this to this. Okay, and this line to press a control button, and this line is a collinear. Okay, and all dimension is mentioned here. Okay, and this dimension is a 11. Okay, and this dimension is a radius is 4. Okay, and this line and this line select a parallel. Okay, and again select a this is a okay, this is a 3, and select this line to this is a 4 millimeter. Okay, and again select this line is a 3 millimeter, and again select this line to this 3 millimeter. Okay, and this circle is a okay, and this circle is a radius is 2 millimeter. Okay, and this center point and this distance is a 5 millimeter. Okay, and next is this is a 5 millimeter. Again this length is a 5 millimeter. Okay, and all is a fully defined, and this is a perfect. All is fully defined and correct. And this is a this length is a okay, this is a 4 millimeter is distance, and this is a 5 millimeter is distance is this, and this is a distance is 11 millimeter, and this curve radius is 2 radius is 2 millimeter. And okay, all is perfect. And this distance is 5 millimeter. Okay, 5 millimeter, this is 11 millimeter, radius is 2 millimeter, and this 5 millimeter and 4 millimeter is perfect. All is correct. And again select revolve base, select this face, sketch normal. Okay, and again select this face, sketch normal, and drawing a hexagon. Hexagon is this to this, and again select a circle, and this is a vertical line, and again select a circle. Circle is a some big circle, and this is use a 9mm is perfect, and this use a 11mm is perfect. Okay, and 12mm is better. Okay, 11 is perfect. And use a extrude cut. Extrude cut is some use a this and click OK. Okay, this is a better and perfect. And this face sketch normal and select a circle. Circle is this, and this is a this hole is 3mm is dia, and use a cut is okay. This diameter is a 3mm, and extrude cut. Extrude cut is a up to surface. Okay, up to surface means this is a perfect. Okay, this is up to surface. Okay, this is up to surface. This is a perfect, and click OK. And some use a this is a cutout is, and use a this is a right plane, and okay, this is a cutout is nice looking here. And okay, and next is a use a this a ball is a okay, and use a right plane sketch normal, and some use a center line to this to this. Okay, a circle is a drawing here. This is a diameter is 3mm, and this distance is a 12mm. Okay, and this is a line is a this line is this, and some extra portion is cutted here. Okay, and guys, this is a very important. This is very important, and use a 3 cutout 3 dia, and this circle is a radius is 3mm, diameter is 3mm, radius is 1.5mm, and distance is a 12mm, and revolve boss base. Use this and click OK. Okay, and click OK, and this face sketch, and use a chromium and click OK, and again select this brush, click OK, and this plane is hide. Okay, this is perfect. And okay, and fillet is a chamfer is apply here a point 2mm, and this to this chamfer, and click OK. This is a perfect. And next is use a thread, and all point is a correct. All point is discuss here one by one, and thread is apply. Length is 10 and pitch is 1, size is M7, and apply a thread. Thread is a select this, and offset is 2mm, and direction is reverse, and this distance is 10mm, and metric die is perfect, and M size M7, and multiply pitch is 1, all is perfect. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, all point is discussed here one by one, and all is a mention here is correct. And this is a use a 45 degree is angle, and this is a perfect body is drawing here. Okay, and all is perfect and correct. Guys, all point is discussed here one by one. Guys, I hope you will learn all point is discussed here easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box, write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.